Assalamu alaikum. Children, how is everyone? Everyone is good. Okay. Children, we are going to revise some alphabet and their sounds. I'm going to show you alphabet and you will tell me the sound of this alphabet. Are you ready for it? Okay, let's see. What is this? This is letter A. Very nice. And it sounds A. Well done. Now see, what is this? This is letter B and it sounds B. Now look, what is this? This letter is letter C and it sounds K. Now this is the turn of this letter. What letter is this? This is letter D. It sounds D. Okay, children. Now we are going to revise these all sounds in the form of chants. You will sing with me, okay? Say, A sounds A. A, A, A. A sounds A. A, A, A. A in the apple, A in the ant. Sing with me. B sounds B. B, B, B. B sounds B. B, B, B. B in the bat, B in the ball. Now sing with me again. C sounds K. K, K, K. C sounds K. K, K, K. K in the cap, K in the car. D sounds D. D, D, D. D sounds D. D, D, D. D in the doll, D in the drum. Did you like the chant? Yes. Okay, you will revise these 4 sounds today and you will practice it as well. Okay? Take care of yourself. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.